How to take off the child lock, key symbol, off my Bosch exxcel washing machine, model number WVD24520GB/03 please. Your help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.
Try pressing and holding the start button in for 5 seconds, this should unlock the child lock. Let me know if that works, thanks, Bryan.
Have already tried and just tried again. All I get is a double bleep. What program should it be on when I try?
Try, press and hold dry and spin, should unlock, or try holding the end of cycle button down for 5 or 6 seconds.
Which is the end of cycle button? Others haven't worked?
It looks like yours doesn't have an end of cycle, try cancel drain.
I don't have a cancel drain button either. Have tried drain button. How would it have got set in the first place?
Okay, looking through the manual, and this is what it says. Hold down the clock/time button for 5 seconds. Can you try that? Here's a link to the manual for further references. http://www.devicemanuals.eu/automatic washer dryer WVD24520GB/101/child lock is on page 35. Bryan Paul 5241429.574554864. Did that work?
I needed to try all the programs before I found the one I must have been using when the lock got activated. It has worked though, thank you.
You're very welcome. I hope you downloaded the manual so you will have it for the future. Please remember to rate me 3 or above so I get credit for assisting you. Thanks and have a great day. Bryan.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.